डियर क्लास स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। जनरल साइंस का पेपर भी आप लोगों का एआई से मैंने बनवा लिया है। अगर आप लोगों का ताल्लुक इंग्लिश मीडियम से है तो आप लोग ये वीडियो देखें। उर्दू मीडियम वालों के लिए वीडियो जो है वो ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है चैनल पे, वो उर्दू मीडियम वाला देखें। ठीक है, तो शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को। 75 नंबर का पेपर होना है, 2.5 घंटे टाइम में दिया जाएगा। 12-15 नंबर के एमसीक्यूज़ आएंगे। ये स्कीम है, इन चैप्टरों में से 2 एमसीक्यूज़, इन चैप्टरों में से 3 एमसीक्यूज़ आने हैं। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन जो हैं 36 नंबर के आएंगे। सवाल क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 4 ये स्कीम है। चैप्टर नंबर 1 से 4, चैप्टर नंबर 2 से 5, चैप्टर नंबर 3 से 4, चैप्टर नंबर 4 से 5 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन, चैप्टर नंबर 5 से 4 और चैप्टर नंबर 6 से 5 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन। लॉन्ग के पेयरिंग स्कीम ए और बी पार्ट्स इस तरह दिए गए हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 1 और 2 में से 5वां चैप्टर नंबर, बाकी सारों में से 3, 4, 5, 6 में से ए और बी दोनों पार्ट्स आने हैं। शुरू करते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव को। द स्टडी ऑफ प्लांट्स इज कॉल्ड बॉटनी। ठीक है, सी ऑप्शन। द नॉन एलोट्रोपिक फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन इज कॉल्ड चारकोल। The fluid part of blood without blood cells is called plasma. Pinhole camera was invented by Ibnul Hashim. ठीक है, ये वाला वो उर्दू में हैथम करके, कुछ इंग्लिश में हैथम करके लिखते हैं। ठीक है, तो अच्छा ये इस तरह 3, 4 से, चलो कोई नहीं, एक ही बात है। द मोस्ट कॉमन एलिमेंट इन द यूनिवर्स इज हाइड्रोजन। विच वन इज कॉल्ड द मास्टर ग्लैंड। तो पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इसको पढ़ते हैं। ठीक है, आगे 7वां है। द सोर्स ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इज़ वीट। द डिजीज़ विच इज़ काज ड्यू टू डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन डी रिकेट्स। द नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर ऑफ बॉडी इज़ 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस। द डिजीज़ अगेंस्ट विच डीपीटी इंजेक्शन इज़ नॉट इफेक्टिव इज़ कॉल्ड पोलियो। अ कॉमन पेन किलर इज़ पैरासीटामोल। द बॉडी सिस्टम अफेक्टेड बाय द पोलियो वायरस। तो नर्वस सिस्टम ये वाला। The proportion of nitrogen in the atmosphere is 78%. The cause of the greenhouse effect is carbon dioxide. Which one is not a fossil fuel? Biogas. आगे चलते हैं चैप्टर नंबर, यानी कि सवाल नंबर 2 में आप लोगों को 9 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन दिए जाएंगे। 6 करने हैं, लेकिन 6 नहीं, 1-2 एक्स्ट्रा करने हैं, 7 या 8 करके आने हैं, ताकि कोई गलत भी हो जाए तो इजाफी में से वो चेक करके आपके नंबर लगा दे। What is meant by science? Science is the systematic study of structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation, experimentation, and testing of theories against evidence obtained. Where was Muhammad bin Zakaria al-Razi born? Muhammad bin Zakaria al-Razi was born in the city of Ray near modern-day Tehran, Iran in 1865 AD. Write the names of 2 books written by Abu Ali Sina. 2 famous books written by Abu Ali Sina are Al-Qanun fil Tibb, The Canon of Medicine, and Kitabul Shifa, The Book of Healing. Write 2 achievements of Dr. Samar Mubarak Mand. He played crucial role in Pakistan nuclear test in Chagi in 1998. He led the National Engineering and Scientific Commission (NASCOM) and contributed to the Thar coal power project. Part number 5. The define allotropy and name a non-allotropic form of carbon. The existence of a chemical element in 2 or more different physical forms in the same physical state is called allotropy. Charcoal is non-allotropic amorphous form of carbon. Pure water is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. It has high specific heat capacity, absorbing a lot of heat before getting hot. Ozone gas. Ozone is a highly reactive gas composed of 3 oxygen atom O3. It occurs in the Earth's upper atmosphere, acting as a protective shield against harmful UV radiation. Right, 2 uses of argon commonly used in fluorescent and incandescent light bulbs to stop oxygen from corroding the hot filament, used as an inert shielding gas in welding. Right properties of graphite. Graphite is crystalline form of carbon. It is an excellent conductor of electricity and heat. Has a grayish black metallic luster and is slippery to the touch. आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की तरफ चलते हैं। 9 में से 6 करने हैं, लेकिन वही 1-2 एक्स्ट्रा करके आना। डिफाइन बायोकेमिस्ट्री। बायोकेमिस्ट्री इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस दैट स्टडीज द केमिकल प्रोसेसेस एंड substances occurring within a living organism. What is genetic engineering? Genetic engineering is a biotechnology technique used to manipulate or alter the genetic material DNA of an organism to transfer genes from one organism to another. Describe the function of blood. Blood transports oxygen and nutrients to tissue, forms blood clots to prevent excess blood loss, and carries cells and antibodies that fight infection. Define substance. A substance is the specific reactant molecule upon which an enzyme acts during a biochemical reaction to form a product. आगे डिफाइन विटामिन। विटामिन आर इसेंशियल ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड दैट द ह्यूमन बॉडी नीड्स इन स्मॉल अमाउंट्स to function properly, maintain growth, and prevent deficiency disease. What is meant by balanced diet? A balanced diet is one that contains the proper proportions of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, and water necessary to maintain good health. What is the difference between digestion and assimilation? Digestion is the physical and chemical breakdown of complex food into simpler molecules. Assimilation is the process where these absorbed molecules are taken up by body cells and converted into living tissue. Write the plant sources of protein. Common plant sources of protein include pulses, beans, lentils, peas, nuts, seeds, and certain grains like क्यों एंड वीट। ये क्विना होता है असल में। व्हाट इज मीट बाय एबीओ ब्लड सिस्टम? द एबीओ ब्लड सिस्टम इज अ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन ब्लड बेस्ड ऑन द इनहेरिटेड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेड दो दफ़ा रेड आ गया। रेड ब्लड सेल्स एज डिटरमाइंड बाय द प्रेजेंस और एब्सेंस ऑफ द एजेंट्स ए एंड बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 की तरफ चलते हैं। तो स्कीम लिखी हुई है बहरहाल साथ साथ सारों के। वाई डू वी कॉल डेंगी ब्रेक बोन फीवर? डेंगी इज कॉल्ड ब्रेक बोन फीवर बिकॉज इट काजेज सेवर जॉइंट एंड मसल पेन that can feel as though the bones are breaking. What is meant by hallucinogens? तो hallucinogens तो are diverse group of drugs that alter a person's awareness of their surroundings as well as their own thought and feelings, causing hallucinations. Define hepatitis A. Hepatitis A is a highly contagious liver infection caused by the hepatitis A virus HAV, typically transmitted through ingestion of contaminated food or water. What is meant by flu? The flu or influenza is a contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses that infect the nose, throat, and sometimes the lungs. Define global warming. Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which increases heat, trapping greenhouse gases. What are chlorofluorocarbons? Chlorofluorocarbons are synthetic compounds made of carbon, chlorine, and fluorine. They are major contributors to ozone layer depletion. What is smoke? Smoke is a type of severe air pollution. It is a mixture of smoke, fog, and primarily caused by industrial emissions and vehicular exhaust reacting with sunlight. What is meant by recycling? Recycling is the process of collecting, processing, and converting waste materials into new usable products to prevent waste and reduce pollution. Define non-renewable sources. Non-renewable sources are natural resources that cannot be readily replaced by natural means at a pace quick enough to keep up with consumption fossil fuels, for example. आगे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। तो 8 नंबर का लॉन्ग होगा, ठीक है। ए और बी पार्ट 4-4 मार्क्स में मुश्तमिल होंगे और 3 लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन करते हैं, 24 हो गए। राइट डाउन द नेम्स ऑफ 2 मुस्लिम साइंटिस्ट एंड गेव देयर इंपॉर्टेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन टू देयर सर्विस ऑफ साइंस। तो आंसर है जाबिर बिन हयान, known as the father of chemistry. He introduced the experimental method in chemistry, invented processes like distillation and filtration, and prepared important acids, nitric and hydrochloric. Muhammad bin Zakaria al-Razi, a prominent physician and chemist, he was the first to chemically classify substances into living and non-living origins. He famously detailed the difference between smallpox and measles. Describe the importance of potassium and calcium in daily life. Calcium is essential for the development and maintenance of strong bones and teeth. It plays a vital role in blood clotting, muscle contraction, and nerve function. Potassium crucial for maintaining normal fluid levels inside cells. It aids in nerve signal transmission and muscle contraction, including the regular beating of the heart. Describe in detail the process of digestion and assimilation. Digestion, the process by which large, complex, and insoluble food molecules are broken down into small, simple, and soluble molecules by mechanical churning and digestive enzyme. For example, proteins into amino acids. This occurs primarily in the stomach and small intestine. Assimilation, following absorption into the bloodstream. Assimilation is the process whereby these simple nutrients are transported to cells throughout the body. Cells use these nutrients to synthesize new biological tissue repair damage or produce energy ATP. What is genetic engineering give its role in human welfare? A modern biotechnology technique involving the direct manipulation of an organism's DNA by inserting, deleting, or modifying specific genes. Role in human welfare: medicine, mass production of vital hormones, synthetic insulin, using modified bacteria, agriculture, creation of pest resistant and drought resistant crops. A disease treatment paves the way for gene therapy for to cure genetic disorders. Which functions are performed by iron, calcium, iodine, and fluorides in our body, essential for the formation of hemoglobin in red blood cells which carries oxygen? Iron का हो गया, calcium में builds and maintains strong bones and teeth, required for proper muscle function. Iodine हो गया, crucial for the synthesis of thyroid hormones which regulate metabolic rate. Fluorides strengthen tooth enamel and help prevent dental cavities by resisting acid attacks. Describe different stages in human life. Human life spans several distinct development stages. In infancy 0 to 2 years, rapid physical growth, motor skill development. Childhood 3 to 11 years, steady physical growth, significant cognitive social development. Adolescence 12 to 18 year, rapid psychological changes during puberty and sexual maturation. Adulthood 19 to 60 year, peak of physical maturity, career building, family resisting old age, gradually decline in physical stamina and cellular regeneration. What is malaria? How it spreads? Right, its treatment. A life threatening disease caused by Plasmodium parasite characterized by fever, chills and anemia. How it spreads? Transmitted to humans through the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes which inject the parasite into the bloodstream. Treated with specific anti-malarial prescription drugs, chloroquine, artemisinin based therapies depending on specific Plasmodium strain. Right, the harmful effects of smoke and smoking. Respiratory diseases damages airways and alveoli leading to chronic bronchitis, emphysema and drastically increased risk of lung cancer, cardiovascular issues, toxin, narrow blood vessels and increased blood pressure causing heart attacks and strokes. Passive harm: second-hand smoke exposes a non-smoker toxic chemicals. General health decline, reduce overall immune function, ages skin prematurely and stains teeth. Question number 9. What is greenhouse effect and how it is related to global warming? Greenhouse effect, a natural process where certain atmospheric gases, carbon dioxide, methane trap heat radiation from Earth towards space, keeping the planet warm enough to sustain life. In relation to global warming, human activities, fossil fuel burning, deforestation have artificially increased the concentration of these gases. This intensifies the natural greenhouse effect, trapping excessive heat. The resulting unnatural increase in Earth's average global temperature is global warming. How human activities affect environment? Explain it. Pollution, industrial emissions and vehicle exhaust cause air, water and soil pollution, harming ecosystem and human health. Deforestation, clearing forests destroys habitats, reduces oxygen produces and drives species toward extinction. Resource depletion, over extraction of non-renewable sources, coal, oil disturbs the Earth's surface and leads to scarcity. Waste generation, poor solid waste management and plastic pollution contaminate oceans and poison marine life. तो ये हमारा था इंग्लिश मीडियम का पेपर. कमेंट करके बताएं नेक्स्ट पेपर किस चीज़ का बनाया जाए.